Want to build an AI-powered army that grows your Web3 community while you sleep? Stick around because today we're talking about Unstaked. These guys have a platform that's revolutionizing social media engagement with their AI agents. Let's dive into this. So this is Unstaked, and one thing that these guys do incredibly well is actual AI agents. So here we can see that yes, these guys are in pre-sale. They have raised a lot so far, but overall, these guys and the way they're tackling AI, I believe is going to be massive in the crypto space. Now, the ecosystem features AI-powered social agents. Now, these are AI agents that you could deploy onto Twitter or onto Telegram, and they will go ahead and spark engagement, communicate with your communities, and even manage the community if you want. Now, this is something that is fantastic. And when it comes to workflows and just managing your community as a whole, I think this is going to be something that massively revolutionizes a lot of the AI space when it comes to social media management. Their current live products include a Telegram engagement agent, and these are actual working products right now. They also have a content agent that will generate content for you and then post it if you want, and a Twitter reply bot that will automatically reply to users asking you questions on Twitter. So when it comes to CRM and managing your community, this is something that really does change the game. Now, right now, they are in pre-sale, but they have raised over $9 million so far. So in my opinion, these guys are the top dogs in the AI space when it comes to AI agents and managing the Web3 community. Now, right now, you can see the price is just 1 cent, but that will go up over time. But we can actually see if we do go to the website and scroll down here, the starting price was down here at 0.0065. The launch price is expected to be 18 cents. So a 27x from the starting price to the launch price. Now, if you were to get in now, you would still make tons of X's. Obviously, 18 cents from 1 cent is near or just under an 18x. So still lots of ROI to be made here. Now, purchasing this token will give you a bunch of different benefits, but we'll talk about this in a minute. Right now, let's talk about the tokenomics, because right now you can see that the pre-sale is actually 60% of the token supply, which is massive. We're talking about a huge amount of the supply distributed to the community, enhancing the decentralization and the longevity of this project. As well as that, they have a massive 25% for liquidity, and this will just help with the decentralized exchanges and the centralized exchanges, keeping the trading price stable, in which, yes, if there are big price movements in the market, the 25% will be there to essentially absorb that pressure. So that's something that's fantastic. Now let's talk about the features you get for holding this token. You can see here at the top, it says access premium features. UNSD, which is the token for Unstaked, unlocks premium agent features, including advanced analytics, priority processing, and access to exclusive agent templates. So some AI platforms out there will have queues when they get too popular, and we saw this with ChatGPT in the beginning. But if you hold this token, you're going to automatically skip that queue and have access to a lot more of the AI a lot quicker than everyone else that isn't holding the token. There's also going to be governance rights here, which is basically similar to a DAO, where you can vote on the future of the token, such as partnerships, development, and future roadmap initiatives as well here. Now, you also get other benefits for holding the token, such as agent performance boost. Holders of UNSD can significantly elevate the performance of their AI agents by unlocking enhanced capabilities such as faster processing speeds, priority execution queues, and early access to specialized behavioral logic modules. So basically, you're just going to get a lot more advanced features. The people that are using your bots are actually going to be getting quicker results because you're skipping a lot of the queues here. And that's all from just holding this token. And that's why I think the demand for this token is going to be absolutely massive. And that is obviously why they've raised over 9 million so far. But the core utility of this token will be using it as the in-platform currency. So a lot of tokens out there will not even use the token associated with their project in their platform. What we can see here, Unstaked are not like that. They can actually put that into their platform, and it's going to be the primary currency used for transactions within the Unstaked ecosystem. So that's going to be fantastic. So when it comes to purchasing agents and upgrades and accessing premium content, rewarding agent creators, all of this stuff is going to be paid in UNSD. So that's going to increase the volume of the token and therefore the price, in my opinion. Now, the last two here are access passes. So any new features the platform's going to be releasing, you're going to get that earlier by holding the token. That's going to be great. And community participation. UNSD will be used to reward community contributions, such as developing agent templates, providing support, and participating in community events. So overall, lots of utility surrounding this token, and that is why they've raised over $9 million so far. But this pre-sale is far from over, and I will say that this could get as high as 60 to 80 mil in my opinion, just based on some of the other things I've seen in the cryptocurrency space over 2025. And these guys tackling something like AI, which is a massive trend, not just in traditional markets, but in the crypto market as well, could be something that does elevate this and massively give it momentum over the coming months. So when it comes to actually managing your Web3 community and actually having a live product associated with a project, these guys are absolutely nailing it. Definitely check out Unstaked in the description, guys, because they've already got their Telegram and Twitter bots live, and there's only going to be more to come. But that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. Check this out in the description. I will see you in the next one.